Road safety si ya FFK. FNA ng'abantu. Tukuddewo fika salama operation eweyo. Kusubira bangi abajenyanziza kubanga ukyebera for the last 5 months bewa obonyo naye mutonotono. Sibwa amaanyi nga buliwo tubadde. Okwatize wamu operation fika salama.
We commit to this partnership because it is our core mandate to construct safe roads.
This is Kingdom TV.